All right, you guys. So we got into that last slide on the last video, and just to be honest, I got there and I was like, man, this would really help to be able to work out the math and show you how we got to where we did, because I understand how it can be a little bit confusing. So we're looking at this one and we say, what is your opportunity cost for your fourth pair of jeans? And remember, we said when we look at saying like fourth, we're assuming we're just moving one more. Like again, I use the example of if I'm saying I'm going to eat my fourth piece of pizza, you're assuming I'm moving from 3 to 4. But if you notice, we don't have a 3 in there, right? So we kind of just have to pretend it's in there. But there's a couple shortcut ways we can get there, and I really want this to become a way of thinking for you and not just like a way of like the math behind it. So let's take a look here. Let's kind of look big picture. If we were to use all of our resources, all of them on jeans, how many pairs of jeans could we make? Well, we would be able to make 10 pairs of jeans. So I'm just going to put 10J. If we were to use all of our resources just on shorts, only on shorts alone, no jeans, we would make 15 pairs of shorts. So if you notice, those two things use the exact same resources, right? We're using all of our resources efficiently to make those two things. They're the same. So we're going to say that those things are equivalent. They're equivalent in production, meaning they use the same resources. And what you guys might see me do is I use this, it looks like a triple equal sign almost. That stands for equivalency, okay? Now here's the reason why we're doing this. What we're doing is we're saying, if we just want to know what's our opportunity cost for our fourth, what we're really saying is we just want to know just one more, right? We just want to know just for one more pair of jeans. So here we know that if we wanted to produce 10 pairs of jeans, like go from no jeans to making only jeans, what we would have to do is we would have to give up making all of our shorts, right? Like if we wanted to go from here, only shorts, right? If we wanted to go from right here, only shorts, to only making jeans and add all 10 of those jeans, we would have to give up 15 pairs of shorts in order to get 10 pairs of jeans. Okay, the opportunity cost for producing 10 pairs of jeans is 15 pairs of shorts. Now here's a cool trick. If we wanted to simplify this, we know how to simplify things from math, right? If we want to say, well, what about just one pair of jeans? What is one pair of jeans equivalent to? Meaning, like, what would we have to give up just to get one pair of jeans? Well, how would we get from 10 pairs of jeans down to one pair of jeans? How do we simplify 10 down to 1? What we can do is we can just do 10 pairs of jeans and we can divide that side by 10, okay? And you get 1. What we have to do, though, is we have to do the same thing over to this side, right? We have 15 pairs of shorts. We have to divide that by 10 because we have to divide both sides by 10. 15 over 10 is 1.5, right? And that's how we got 1.5 pairs of shorts. Again, another way you could do that too, and you kind of saw this here, is we can add some letter in between, right? Like what's halfway between 2 and 4? Well, we know it's 3. What's halfway between 9 and 12, right? What's halfway between that? Well, we know halfway between 9 and 12 is 10.5, right? So if we're to say we're going from 3 up to 4, that's like saying by adding that pair of jeans, we're going from 10.5 pairs of shorts down to 9 pairs of shorts. We're giving up 1.5 pairs of shorts. That's the same answer as we got up there. So we're going to get into the math more, I promise. Don't get too overwhelmed with it. A lot of this style of math is going to show up in day 1.3, and we're going to go into a lot more detail with it then. So if you're a little lost, do not worry. You're going to be just fine, I promise.